Look, you got a Sandra Boyne. Oh my, dinosaurs.
Like your dinosaur shirt.
Yeah, I'm making it anyway.
Hey, what do you think about that ball?
That's pretty cool, huh?
That's like the one Arrowhead.
Yeah, can we leave this in here so Mommy knows what came from? I don't, you
Yeah,
got this ball.
Here, no, I want both of them.
That way Mommy knows who got us what.
Whoops. Here, touch it to me.
What's this, Holden? It's an outfit? Who's this from? Who's this from, Holden? Here, watch out. There you go. This is from Mr. Gary and Miss Jill and Nancy. Oh, cute. Here, Bubba, here's something that's totally not interesting. Oh my god, look at those.
Oh, those are adorable.
Chomp, chomp. Oh, wait, we gotta see. Look, Monkey. How styling are you?
You look like Dad.
Oh, look.
How styling. Right? Very cool. 18 months is perfect. Yep.
Cute little bugger.
Look
Oh
at that.
God, those are
Yours.
adorable.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
So cool. Skater for life. How funny is that? How funny is that? Look, you got shorts.
You got an envelope.
Cool.
Cool.
Is that for
Just
you?
care about the envelope.
Is that for you?
Look, Grandma, I got an envelope.
It's got your name on it. It says Holden.
Thank you.
It's for Holden.